Joe, you're making a lot of noise down here in the basement. What's going on? More shelving, huh?
More shelving. You know, I'm always looking for places to gain extra storage space, and I thought this would be a perfect place. It's a staircase leading up from the basement to the first floor. And it's drywalled on the inside of the stairwell, but outside here you can see it's just exposed framing. So I thought it'd be the perfect place to put in some 2x4 shelves. And I just cut them to fit between the studs and screwed them in with some 3-inch screws.
And there's a lot of things you can store on a 3.5-inch space.
Yeah, it's only 3.5 inches wide, but you'd be surprised if I hold up that crate. I'll show you.
Oh, you got all kinds of things.
Yeah, you can do cleaning supplies and cans of food, and you just space them wherever you need to for the items you're storing. And if you have a basement shop, you can put cans of paint and glue and anything that's less than 3.5 inches wide.
And if your wife locks you out from upstairs, you can still eat a little bit.
Yeah, you can still have something to eat, right?
Well, what about dust? I mean, in a basement area like this, and it being somewhat of a workshop, it's going to get pretty dusty.
And not only it might get a little dusty, but also it's not particularly attractive looking. You might want to keep it covered up. And I had the same thought. So I thought what I'd do is just get a inexpensive window shade, just a little roller window shade. I use some outside mount brackets, which you typically put on the outside of a window, and just clip it in, and this rolls down and locks in place.
Man, that works great.